They are?
They are.
They're eating the bread. What color are they?
Brown and green. You don't see it. You have to throw it really far.
1, 2, 3 ducks, huh?
Exactly. 1, 2, 3 ducks.
You want to give him some?
No, that's okay.
Huh?
His sandwich.
She said it's my sandwich. I said, oh, okay.
Oh, it's your sandwich that she just happened to grab first, huh? I see how it is. Well, you didn't like the crust anyway, right? She's only picking the crust off for you.
Yeah, I do.
It's only about 20% of the sandwich.
No, don't throw rocks to the ducky. It's bread. Next time we bring some more bread.
Come here, Nathan. Come here.
You want to go over there?
Come here, Nathan.